So this is my one of the channel here. In my channel, how to promote from other YouTube channel option. Suppose Rakesh Tech Solution channel, how to promote from Digital Rakesh channel. So that's mean by one channel promoting for another channel option. That is mean by increase your subscriber purpose. In this purpose, go to channel option, go to create a studio. In this, select your particular video, click for edit. Here we can go to option will be there. The option name is called two things, end screen and the cards option. Go to end screen, select element. Here option name is called channel. Or the channel name, search will be here. Channel will be show. After that, right here, subscriber channel, save it, and go to cards option. Select here channel, and create a card. So where you can visible these two options when you play this video. Skip this option. Where we can go for end screen option. Here, they're showing for subscriber channel here. Next will be a card option. We can show for subscriber channel here. When click, they go to our channel, increase our subscribers. So this is called, you can, another YouTube channel, you can promote your channel will be two easy method. The option will be two things, cards and end screen option. End screen will be directly will be searched by name. Cards will be adding for by using for YouTube channel URL option. So this is a method we can using for increase the one channel subscriber using another channel option. This method we can use to increase the subscriber purpose.